queens, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to learn how to do free parting on your clients, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is put my client's hair up in a loose bun, just so that I can just part it and the rest of the hair is out of my way. So then I like to put some Shine Jam onto the back of the hair, just to smooth it out, and then you just want to like work that product into the hair and comb it out before you start parting. So for your first part, you just want to make a curved shape and just braid it and then twist it. I'm going to show you guys how to continue this pattern throughout the whole head, because in the beginning when I first started doing this, I'm not gonna lie you guys, I had a hard time keeping the shape of this style. It was a little hard for me, but after I got it, I was like, okay, this isn't that bad. Okay, in the next few clips I'm going to show you guys exactly how to keep that shape that you want to do the free parting. Okay guys, so before we start, I just want to give you guys a guide to make the shape of the free parting. So as you can see from the picture, you will have 3 points to begin with. You're going to have your start point, your end point, and then your dip point. Now if you're right-handed, then this guide will be helpful for you, but if you're left-handed, it'll be the opposite way to start your parting. But basically you're going to make a round shape part, and then you're just going to do that like at least 2 to 3 times, and the third time you're going to add the Shine Jam to it to make it more defined, and then you're going to part it one more time, and then there's your part. So that's how I do free parting, and it's been helpful for me for doing free parting, because before I used to struggle with doing free parting on my clients or even on myself. So this is basically like a guide to help anybody who actually want to learn how to do free parting. Now the one thing I can say about free parting is that I like doing it because it makes your hair appear fuller, as you guys will see towards the end. But like with free parting, you don't have to worry about if the shape is perfect or anything, because with square parts you have to make sure that the parts are actually like even or like close to even. So I like doing free parting because you can actually, like, you know, be free-handed with it, and you don't have to worry about anything being straight. Yeah, if you guys thought this video was helpful to you, make sure you guys give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing more videos like this on this channel, just to show you guys like the process and how to do certain styles. If you guys have any requests that you guys want to see from me, make sure you put it in the comment section down below, and I will make a video on it.
No, I'm really just too